So, here there everyone. Today's topic is why you should not prepare for need MDS. So, before you all think that I have lost it, you should at least hear me out. This video is going to be all about making sure that you are making the right decision for the right reasons. Need MDS is a massive commitment and it is not for everyone. So, let's dive into some real reasons why this path might not be for you. So, NEET MDS is not something you do on a whim. It is not a trend, and it is definitely not something you should pursue just because your friends are doing it or because your parents think it is a good idea. If you are generally not passionate about dentistry, about oral health or oral surgery or patient care, then this journey is going to feel like a never ending uphill battle. Think about it. If you are willing to spend the next several years dedicating yourself to a field you do not even love, so if the answer is no, then maybe NEET MDS is not the right choice for you. Let me bust this myth right now. Clearing NEET MDS is not a golden ticket to instant success, money, or easy life. If you think an MDS degree will automatically make you rich or famous, think again. Here is the reality. After MDS, you will still have to work hard to build your career, whether it is setting up your practice, joining a hospital, or entering academia. Success takes time, effort, and patience. NEET MDS does not guarantee you a high-paying job or a lavish lifestyle. If your goal is financial success, if it is just that, then there might be faster and better ways to achieve that. Let's talk about the cost, both financial and emotional. Preparing for NEET MDS involves expensive coaching classes, books, and mock tests, and sometimes even relocation. And then there's the emotional side. You will face sleepless nights, pressure from peers and families, and moments where you question your entire decision. It's tough. If you are not ready for this kind of investment financially and emotionally, it is better to explore other paths rather than forcing yourself into something you are not fully prepared for. This one is so important. Are you preparing for NEET MDS because you want to? Or because your friends or your family or your society think that you should? If you are chasing this dream for someone else, trust me, it won't work. The pressure will become unbearable and you won't have any internal motivation to push through the hard days. You need to do this for yourself because it is your life, it is your career, and it is your happiness at stake. Here's the thing, dentistry is just one field and NEET MDS is one path within it, right? The world is full of opportunities. You can set up your own practice, or you can join another clinic, or you can join a college as a BDS tutor. There are a lot of other opportunities. You can also join some healthcare centers that there are, or you can pursue healthcare management, research, public health, or even switch to something completely different like business or technology. If you feel like NEET MDS does not align with your long-term goals or interests, it is okay to step back and explore other paths. Remember, success is not defined by a single exam or career choice. It is about finding what makes you happy and fulfilled. Let's address the elephant in the room, the job market. The truth is, even after MDS, job opportunities might not meet your expectations. The competition is fierce and the demand for specialists isn't growing as fast as the number of graduates. For example, setting up your own private practice takes years of effort and investment. Hospital jobs might not pay as much as you think. If you are not prepared to deal with this kind of reality, NEET MDS might not be the right choice for you. Now, don't get me wrong, NEET MDS is an amazing path if it is the right choice for you, if it is the right fit for you. It opens doors to specialized fields, gives you the chance to be a leader in dentistry, and can be incredibly rewarding. But it is definitely not for everyone. If you have watched this far, take a moment to reflect. Ask yourself, why do I want to prepare for NEET MDS? Am I doing it for the right reasons? Remember, there is no shame in choosing different path. Life isn't about fitting into a mold, it is about carving your own way. Whether you decide to go for NEET MDS or explore something else, make sure it is your decision and you are proud of that. This is it for today, guys. I hope this video gave you a fresh perspective and maybe even helped you to make an important decision. Let me know in the comments, are you still planning to prepare for NEET MDS or are you rethinking your options? And hey, no matter what you choose, I am here to support you and with more tips and tricks and honest discussions and guidance. And do not forget to like, share and subscribe for more such content. I hope you have a good day. Bye-bye.